In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a notification pop-up using the Hostinger website builder. Whether you're looking to grab your site visitors' attention or share important updates, a notification pop-up can be a great tool. So let's dive right in and make it happen step by step. First things first, let's start by opening up the Hostinger website builder. Once you've logged in and are on the main dashboard, navigate to the section on your website where you'd like to place the pop-up. Choosing the right section is crucial, as it should be a part of the web page that your visitors frequently visit, ensuring maximum visibility for your notification. Now that we've pinpointed the location, the next step is to add the notification pop-up widget. To do this, you'll need to locate the Elements or Widgets option, usually found on the left-hand side of the editor. Here, you'll see a plethora of options that you can use to enhance your site. Look for the one labeled Notification Pop-up. Once you find it, simply drag and drop this widget onto the desired section of your page. This widget will be the foundation for displaying your message to visitors. With the widget in place, it's time to move on to customization. This step is where you can really make your pop-up shine. Start by crafting the message you want to display. This could be anything from a warm welcome to a time-sensitive offer. Remember, keeping your message clear and concise is key to ensuring your visitors read it through entirely. After your message is ready, dive into the design elements. You can adjust the colors, fonts, and size to match your site's aesthetic, creating a seamless and engaging experience for your users. Lastly, consider setting up triggers for your pop-up. Triggers can determine when and how the pop-up appears, such as after a visitor spends a certain amount of time on a page or scrolls to a specific section. Tailoring these settings will help you achieve the desired interaction with your audience. Once you're satisfied with the look and operation of your notification pop-up, it's crucial to save your changes. You'll typically find the save option at the top or bottom of the page editor, so give that a quick click. It's always a good practice to double check your work, ensuring everything is functioning just the way you intended. The final step on this adventure is to publish your site with the new pop-up widget. This is what ultimately makes your changes live for all your website visitors to see. Look for the publish button, give it a click, and just like that, you've successfully added a useful feature to your site using the Hostinger website builder. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've enhanced your website's capability to communicate effectively with visitors using a notification pop-up. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you work on creating a more engaging online presence.